What will win in a drag race between a plug-in hybrid version of a BMW 7 Series, a plug-in hybrid version of an Audi A8 and a plug-in hybrid version of a Mercedes S-Class? And we're going to find out because we're going to drag race them over the standing quarter mile. I'm Matt Watson and you're watching CarWow. Buy, sell, CarWow. So let me tell you about this BMW. It is the BMW it's the BMW M760e? E-I-E-I-O. I don't know. Anyway, it is the plug-in hybrid version of the 7 Series, but it's the M performance model. That means we've got a 3-litre straight-six turbo engine mated to an electric motor, driving all four wheels via an 8-speed automatic gearbox, and the combined output, 571 horsepower and 800 newton meters of torque. Those are some pretty good numbers. But this car is pretty heavy, weighs in at 2.5 tons, and this car is very expensive. It costs £120,000. Let's find out about the Audi from its driver, its racing driver, Samuel. Hello, racing driver Samuel.
I don't know why I'm talking to you like I talk to my 2-year-old daughter, but...
Are you all right this morning? Have you had your milk?
I haven't had milk this morning. I'm very tired this morning. But anyway, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm interested in your car. Have you got the facts and the figures?
I actually love it. This is an Audi A8. I've got a soft spot for these. These have always been cool. Do you remember the Transporter films? I always loved them in that. Anyway, this is the L60 TFSI. It's an E-Quattro 3-litre V6 turbo, 462 horsepower, 700 newton meters of torque, all-wheel drive, 8-speed auto, 2.3 tons, and it's 93,500. So it's a chunk of change, but not as much as your starting point for yours.
Speaking of the Transporter films, you sort of remind me a little bit of Jason Statham. Now, I know you do stunt driving for films. Have you ever stood in as like a stunt driver double for Jason Statham?
Never did it, and yet I do get a few comments about Jason Statham, although he is far better looking and far more talented than me, but I appreciate the lookalike bit.
He's also quite a bit older than you, yet somehow manages to look younger. I know that's rich coming from me with my wrinkly face, but I just thought I'd say that because it's Monday morning and I'm clearly in a bad mood. Rory, how are you?
I'm really well, thanks. I've just been having a massage while you've been talking about Jason Statham.
What kind of massage? I know you find him quite attractive.
Not as attractive as Sam, obviously. Yeah, no, I'm in the Daddy, I'm in the S-Class. This one is the 580e long wheelbase. I have a turbocharged straight-six 3-litre petrol engine with electric motor. In total, I've got 510 horsepower. I've got 750 newton meters of torque, 9-speed automatic gearbox. I weigh 2.4 tons. But interestingly, I have rear-wheel drive, so I don't have all-wheel drive like you guys. And this car actually starts at £108,000, so pretty expensive as well.
Do you know what, Rory? I didn't really take any of that in. I was too busy wondering whether your massage function has a happy ending feature.
There is a button here that's got sort of like drips on it. Shall I press it?
Not yet. Just leave it till the end of the video just in case it gets a bit messy.
Roger.
Now, before we go any further, if you're thinking about changing your car, you can do it all through CarWow dead easy. So you can buy your next car through CarWow, either new or used. Do your research on that car by reading our editorial content and watching the videos. And then you can make sure you're paying a fair price for that car by comparing offers from dealers. And you can sell your current car through CarWow as well, and dealers all across the country will bid on it in an online auction. It's dead simple and the service is completely free. If you want to find out more about all of that right now, click on the pop-out banner up there or follow the link in the description below. Alternatively, you can do it at a later date by simply Googling "Help Me CarWow" and we will help you change your car. And don't forget to tell your friends and family about it as well if they're thinking of changing their car. Before we go any further, what we're going to do is the customary CarWow sound check. And because these are plug-in hybrids, you do actually get an engine which you can rev. Let's see what happens. Ooh, we have some kind of like interesting sounds when you start the car. We do have a soft limiter at 4. It's all right. Quite a lot of that noise you're hearing inside the cabin is fake, but this is what it sounds like on the outside. In fact, let's have a listen myself, because it's so well insulated, this car. Ooh. Oh, now it's revving to 6. That's more like it. Go on, rev up the Audi.
This has got such a big soft limiter, the rev counter doesn't even go up. Isn't that amazing?
That's absolutely terrible. Okay, Rory, let's have a listen to the Mercedes revving.
Yeah, it's absolutely awful. 3,500 revs on the soft limiter, and you can't really even hear it in here, but I guess that's the point of an S-Class, really.
Exactly, it is. But this BMW does a good blend of kind of luxury, quietness, and then a bit sporty when you want it to be. But I do have a bit of an unfair advantage because this is the M Performance model, while you two just have normal, run-of-the-mill plug-in hybrids. They concur, quite obviously. Anyway, shall we get on with the racing, shall we? Yeah, let's do it. Now, seeing as these cars are plug-in hybrids and you can drive an electric power alone at just over 80 miles an hour, what we're going to do is the first drag race in electric only mode. Now, if I or anyone else engages the engine, they'll be disqualified. So we've got to maintain in electric only mode. Fortunately, all these cars have like this full stop to the accelerator, which will allow it to stay in electric only mode. Only if you push past that will the engine engage.
3, 2, 1.
Electric power alone, yes, come on, balance that bar. Don't go above the line.
Come on, just keep it there.
That Mercedes has just shot off. Very close between me and the Audi. I think this is as quick as I can go. And this Audi is gaining on me. Ooh. Whoa! That was very slow, but still very exciting. That race was a lot more fun than it really should have been.
That was so funny. Trying to not let the engine kick in, but trying to catch you was just so frustrating.
And I was the same. I could see you gaining on me, and I was like just teetering on the very brink of engaging the engine. But clear winner here, Rory. That Mercedes shot off.
Yeah, this is like an AMG when it comes to just being on electric. I can't believe how much I won by. Really difficult to just keep the engine from kind of coming on. It definitely didn't. How much faster is this than the other two?
It's got the biggest battery, right, and the biggest range, so maybe that's how it can do it. I don't know. Anyway, that's one win to the Mercedes. Now, the engines can get involved. I can see a couple of hairs there. Can you see them, Sam, over on the left?
Yeah.
Go away, hairs. Ah! Ah!
Here we go. I'm 100% winning this race. This car launches so good.
Mate, you're not winning this race. I've got an M Performance car here. You're not winning this race.
I am 100% going to beat you off the line. 100%.
Okay, you might beat me off the line. That's still dubious. But you're not going to win the race.
I think I am.
It's not.
3, 2, 1.
He did beat me off the line. But he's not going to win the race.
No! No!
So you were partly right, Sam. You did beat me off the line. You definitely did. This actually was a bit slow and sluggish off the line, but then it came on song. We'll do a quick check though to make sure you didn't jump. I don't think you did, but I'd kind of like it if you did. So stewards, can we just check that all the starts were good, please?
No jumps, all good.
Come on!
I just wanted to confirm it for you, Sam. I did.
This is the best launching Audi we've ever driven on here. This is unreal.
Anyway, let's go to Rory, who was smug after the electric only race. How was that?
Yeah, not quite as quick, and some sort of downstairs massage kicked off halfway along the old quarter mile. I wasn't that far behind, but the way that Audi went off for something that isn't, you know, an RS or an S product was really impressive.
I was disappointed with how this launched. It was actually quite slow. It even said launch control on the dash, and I bet you two didn't have that feature, did you?
No, I was like Fred Flintstone with my foot through the floorboard in full power.
Do you know what? Let's do best 2 out of 3, because I kind of want to get closer to you on the launch, Sam. I really do.
I'll give you another go if you give me a 100-meter race.
Do you know what? I'll give you an 1/8 of a mile race.
Okay, but you've got the specialist timing gear, so you have to be honest with it then for me.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, it was closer. Got him. Oh! Definitely quicker. You didn't beat me to the 1/8 of a mile.
I'm not looking at him, Rory. I can feel his smugness. But this got like 100 horsepower less. Look at him coming up.
Your brakes are on fire. You need to go for a little drive, I think. But you are going to have to look at me. You didn't beat me to an 1/8 of a mile.
I'll kiss you.
Look at your brakes. I think you might need to go for a bit of a drive.
That wasn't even a hard stop.
Oh my God. I just spat on them and I just got it all over the alloy.
Right. Talk about bullying after the win. This isn't sportsmanship.
Look at that. Can you see that? Go cool them down.
All right.
Go on. Wait. You didn't win to an 1/8 of a mile. So then, what exactly happened? Well, with the cars in their electric-only modes, the Mercedes won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 19.4 seconds. The BMW took 22.2 seconds, while the Audi 22.3 seconds. But when their engines were allowed to be used, the cars were all much quicker. This time, the BMW won. It completed the standing quarter mile in 12.6 seconds. The Audi took 13 seconds, and the Mercedes was last with a time of 13.2 seconds. On 50 miles an hour, we're going to just roll up there in electric only mode, and then we're going to throw the throttles. The car's doing just like the normal hybrid setting, so here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Kick in engine. The Audi was off and the BM and the Mercedes just shot ahead.
Look at Rory. What?
Wait! What? Mercedes won! Rory, you won in the Mercedes!
I am actually looking for AMG badges in this. I can't believe that won. I guess it does have 510 horsepower, but yeah, I've won again. That's 2 things I've won.
Oh, it is 2, because you won the first drag race. Sam, what have you won so far?
Nothing. This is awful. What is going on?
Right, let's go into sports mode. Maybe you'll have a chance at winning then. Not. Okay, this time, manual mode, 3rd gear roll on in your sportiest setting. Let's try it. Come on, everyone level. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, now we're going.
Come on.
I love my shift lights. Yeah.
Oh.
I'm feeling the end performance now, and I'm watching that Mercedes come past that Audi. Whoa. Rory, yeah, again, I think your car was pretty impressive.
Yeah, I did just beat the Audi that time. I think in the last race, in comfort mode, in hybrid mode, my gearbox just changed down so quickly and it was off. I think the difference between the modes in the BMW looks pretty massive, to be fair.
Yeah, you've absolutely called that correctly. And I called it correctly that Sam wouldn't win. So still, you haven't won anything yet, Sam.
No, and my hopes aren't massively high on the brake test either. So yeah, this is a clean sweep. What a good day this is.
I wonder if your brakes will actually burst into flames in the braking test.
I'm genuinely worried. I slowed down so carefully there and I can just see smoke licking over my windscreen.
Enough about licking, you'll have Rory pressing his blooming massage seat button again.
I'm just opening the menu now.
Right, let's do this brake test. Do you know what? For this brake test, I'm going to put my massage on. Everyone have their massages on.
I don't think I have that.
No, you don't, Sam. You don't even have a massage function.
So you've lost that as well, Sam.
Worst day of my life.
What you're going to do now is get to 100 miles an hour. When we reach that line, full emergency stop. Car which stops in the shortest distance wins. If you'd rather watch the drag race with a BMW, Audi and a Mercedes, click on the pop-out banner up there. Follow the link in the description below. If not, stay here for some brake testing.
Come on, Mercedes.
Rory, you won that. More importantly, Sam didn't.
Yeah, again, maybe the 100 kilograms or so has helped me out there.
That Mercedes has been really impressive. It is a very, very good car. Is Sam's right front brake kind of steaming a little bit?
It is looking very hot, but it isn't on fire. I can't see flames.
Why is it on a slow controlled stop from the rolling races, they catch fire, and I just did a full bore emergency stop from 100 and it's all okay? I don't understand.
I don't understand at all. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like. If you want to watch some more videos, click on those windows there, and then click on that box there to go to CarWow to change your car. You can buy your next car through CarWow and make sure you're paying a fair price for it. And you can also sell your current car through CarWow and have dealers all across the country bid on it in an online auction. The service is completely free and dead easy to use. Thanks for watching.